Hello everyone, today I'll guide you through obtaining premium and fast UDP files. Free servers can be slow and less secure, so premium options offer a significant upgrade. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you find this tutorial helpful. Step 1. Open any browser and navigate to UDP Custom. Simply type UDP Custom in the search box. Step 2. On the home page, look for the menu button located in the top left corner. Click on it to reveal the navigation menu. Step 3. From the menu options, locate and click on Premium UDP Files. A submenu will appear. Select Premium UDP Custom Files to proceed. Step 4. You'll now see a list of premium UDP files available. Choose any file you prefer and download it. These files are optimized for use with HTTP Custom VPN. Step 5. If you're unsure how to integrate UDP custom configurations with HTTP Custom VPN, let me guide you through the process. Step 6. Firstly, head over to the Play Store and download the HTTP Custom VPN app. Once downloaded, launch the app to access the home screen. Step 7. On the home screen, locate and click on the plus icon. Then, select Open Config and navigate to the folder where your downloaded UDP custom file is located. Import the configuration file into the app. Step 8. After successfully importing the file, tap on the Connect button within the app to establish a fast VPN connection. Conclusion: there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully acquired and set up premium and fast UDP files using HTTP Custom VPN. Enjoy your enhanced security and speed online.